Let's learn the signs for each of our high-frequency words. The first word is all. The sign for all is, so you're just going to put one hand out like this, take the other, flip it around, and put it in your other hand. So do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. All. This is the word call. The sign for call is, so you're just going to make a phone with your hand and put it up to your ear like you're making a phone call. So do that with me. And say it and sign it. Call. This is the word day. The sign for day is, okay, so put your arm out like this, take your other arm, make a D with this hand, and then fold it down like this. Okay, so do that with me. And say it and sign it. Day. This is the word her. The sign for her is, okay, so you just put your hand up like this and move it out like this. Okay, so do that with me. And say it and sign it, her. And this is the word want. The sign for want is, okay, so you're going to kind of act like you're taking a bunch of stuff and you just want it all for yourself. Okay, so do that with me. And say it and sign it, want. Okay, so let's practice those. Say and sign each one. Ready? All, call, day, her, want.